friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot. So in this video, I want to show you the cheapest way to go about the high stacks quest. So before making this video, I have already started 2 of these quests. I have done these 2 right here, and the 2 that are left that I will be showing you how to go about it is the brick and the element part of the quest. So if you start with bricks, you are going to end up spending a lot of money, maybe around $10 and above. But here I am going to be starting with elements first, and then we are going to do bricks last. So this is how you go about it. So let's start with element second task, which is to buy a brick and also list a brick for sale on element market. You are going to tap on it and you can see different kind of offers here. But there is something I want you to take note. When you see any of these offers where they write last and then they write price, it means that the seller wants to put it up on auction, and every offer has different auction duration. So at the end of the auction period, whoever is the highest bidder gets to buy it. However, because we are doing a quest which will end in about 5 days, we don't have that much time on our end. So we may not be able to wait for the end of an auction before buying our bricks. So you have to look for any seller that can sell their own instantly. If you look at these 2 offers I circled here and this third one, it does not have last. That means you can still buy it. It is also on auction, but you can still buy it at the highest price now if you want to buy. So I'll be going for one of those offers where I can buy it instantly. So you can see it is on auction, but you can buy it at the highest price now. If you want to buy it on auction, the highest bid for now is 59 cents. But if you want to buy it instantly, you'll be buying it around $1.15. So I am paying more because I can't afford to wait for the auction to end. So you tap on buy now, then connect your wallet and then confirm the purchase. Transaction successful. So I'm going to return to our quest page. We have done this second task, but then I am not going to go ahead yet with completing elements task. I'm going to go back and I will go for brick. Now here is the brick task, and the second task in brick is to own 1 brick, and if you do not own 1 brick, you are going to have to buy. However, if you buy directly from brick here, you are going to spend like $10 like I said at the beginning of this video. But now since I bought it from Element, I should be able to pass this task without having to first go and buy brick from brick website. So let's connect my wallet and then I'll verify if this second task will go through. I will tap on verify now and then we'll see if I'll be able to pass this, and you can see I've been able to pass that step. So the next one is to follow brick on Twitter. So I'll tap on verify to follow them on Twitter. I'll tap on the follow button and then go back to the brick quest page. Now I'll tap on verify and then everything is done. Now I can mint the NFT for completing the brick task. However, I have already attempted the quiz before making this video. So if you want answers to any of those Starknet quizzes, make sure that you join my Telegram channel. I always post the answers there. So I am done with brick task. Now I am going to return to element and then I'm going to complete the element task. I will now be continuing element second task. We did the part 1 of it earlier, and that is to buy a brick on element. So we are also supposed to buy and list a brick. That is the task. So I'm going to go back to element marketplace and I'm going to list my brick for sale. So tap on your profile with that arrow here and then tap on my collections to see a list of all of the NFTs that you own. So you can see my brick over there that I bought earlier. I'm going to tap on it in order to list it for sale. Now tap on list or edit item. So scroll to the bottom to see different options available for you. Remember that the highest bid price is currently 59 cents, but the last price I bought it was double the amount, which is $1.15, because I couldn't wait for the bidding duration. Now you can also decide to list your own for auction as well. If you want to auction it, you are going to tap on accept stop bid. So you indicate a duration for your auction, and when the duration ends, the person with the highest bid is going to be the buyer. But if you want people to to be able to buy it, people who can't wait for the end of auction to be able to buy it at a higher amount, now you are going to tap on sell, and then you are going to indicate your sell price. Remember, I bought it for 0.0007 earlier, so I'm just going to list it for 0.0008. Now tap on listing and then complete the transaction in your wallet. So this way, anybody that wants to bid for it can continue bidding until the auction duration will be over, and anybody that does not want to, participate in auction can pay 0.0008 ETH just to buy it instantly, just like I did at the beginning of this video. So tap on sign to complete your transaction. Now you have successfully listed your brick for sale. So if you want to adjust your price, you can tap on adjust price at the bottom of your screen, and if you don't want to sell again, you can tap on cancel listing. So if you want to see any item that you have on sale, you're going to go to your profile and then you are going to tap on listings. That is where you see any items that you have put up for sale. So you can see this is my brick here. So if you want to see offers that people are making for items that you own, go back to your profile, then tap on offers. So you can see all of these NFTs that we have been claiming from Starknet Quest. You can see them, and then you can see amounts that people are willing to buy each one of them. You can see the floor price and then the amount that people are bidding for it. If you remember this Quantum Leap NFT that we minted earlier, they want to buy it for $6.05, but I am not selling it. Just so you know, if you missed out on minting any particular NFT, you can just go to the marketplace and buy it, just like that Quantum Leap NFT. If you did not own it, you can come to Element and then buy it. It does not matter whether you minted it directly or you bought it. If it is being used as a requirement for any reward, as long as you are holding that NFT, you will be qualified. So that is a strategy. So I think we are done here. I'm going to go back to Element and complete the task. So I'm going to verify the second task now. We have bought a brick and then we have listed a brick for sale. It is done. Now I will do the Gemstone quiz. If you want answers to this quiz and every other Starknet quiz, make sure to join my Telegram channel. I have all the answers there. So I am done answering the quiz, so I'll go back to the quest. And lastly, I am going to follow Element on Twitter. I'll tap on the follow button. I'll go back and then verify the task. So I'm done with the 3 tasks, then I'm going to mint my NFT as reward. I'll tap on confirm. NFT has been successfully minted. Now I will go back to the quest. Actually, this is the latest quest. As at the time of making this video, this is the latest quest on Starknet. When there is another quest, if I am able to, I'm also going to make tutorials on it. However, I would just like to add that as you are claiming all of these NFTs, don't be tempted to sell. Hold them until Starknet do their airdrop. All of the people you see that are selling these NFTs, they have multiple accounts, so they already have an account they are going to use to qualify for airdrops, and then they can choose to sell others. This will be the end of today's video. If you have any questions, drop me a comment in the comment section or join us on Telegram. If you have found value, please like this video and also subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.